results that we want.
Komisi Benta Banrakhi ka International Water Conclave la pelong la Pyrda nega sngi State Convention Center. Aga nega program la pelong ia ke program yakob oper ke be day bat ka ka jing bat ka lawai ka belong Shibenta jong ka ne ka phang pedeng. Ia ka PSA video final la pelong ha St Anthony's College. Aba penpau ha ka nega sngi ka jing play ia ka nega program Menteri Katnat Water Resources iba Komingon Ombon ila ong bakane ke jingelang kalong ban pelek jimut na ke benta ban penek pensa ikitelong na ke benta ke lawai ke ban sawan. Kiwei ke boleh don hak nega program ki kentup ya Commissioner and Secretary of Water Resources Joram Beda but Secretary jong Katnat Water Resources SC Sadhu bat kiwei.
Competition was organized by F and I would now like to seem like the artistic skill flows only
events and
transcend borders and demand a collective response from all of us. This conclave underscore the need for concentrated action to safeguard our water resource for future generation. In Meghalaya, we have recognized the importance of sustainable water management as a cornerstone of our development agenda through innovative policies, community-driven initiative and partnership with the stakeholder. We are striving to ensure equitable access to clean and safe water for all our citizens while preserving our natural ecosystem.
Vice President Keseng Bharatiya